Express f of x in completed square form and use this form to determine zeros of the function. Okay, so they want completed square form, meaning first thing we want to do, because there's a coefficient on the x squared term, is factor it out. We only factor it out of the first two terms. There's no point doing the third one. So 3 comes out. 3x squared divided by 3 leaves x squared. Minus 12x divided by 3 leaves minus 4x. Then just leave some space, and there's our minus 8. Now, the divide by 2 and square part, we take our minus 4, divide it by 2, that's negative 2, square it, we get 4. So we put plus 4 here. Now out here, I don't put minus 4. What do I put instead? Minus 3 times 4. Right? Here 3 times 4 is 12. We've effectively added a plus 12 in here. So now we're taking away a 12 to compensate. This is factorable, and it factors very easily. It produces x minus 2 all squared. And then out here we have minus 8 minus 12. And of course that cleans up to x minus 2 all squared minus 20. Now, they say use that form to determine the zeros of the function. So if they want to know when all of this equals 0, now we have to solve that. So take the 20 to the right-hand side. Equals 20. Divide by 3. Square root both sides. X minus 2 equals plus or minus root 20 over 3. Now, root 20 is root 4 root 5, which is 2 root 5. Oops, don't forget the plus or minus. And then we take our 2 over to the right-hand side, and we get this. X is 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 3. You could stop it right there, or if you wanted, you could put all this over a common denominator. You could write the 2 as 2 over 1, which becomes 6 over 3, and then you get the following. 6 plus or minus 2 root 5 all over 3. I'm not sure this is a big improvement, but some people like making it all into one big fraction. Here you have one part that's a fraction and one part that isn't, so either one's good. They actually want their answers not as exact values, but to the nearest hundredth. So to produce those, you would have to do here 2 plus 2 root 5 over 3, and then you do it again with 2 minus 2 root 5 over 3. Turn off those numbers in case you want to check your calculator works. So 2 plus for the first one I get 3.49, and for the second I got 0.51. It's a quadratic, so we expect it to have 2 zeros, and there they are.